Welcome back to Talking Sense. My name is Shebanjagi. Last week, we got to explore the difference between the sales funnel, the traditional sales funnel, and the sales model, the new sales model that we discussed about. And now today, I want us to talk about goal setting for sales in your business. It's true. We can't run a business without sales. The reason we are here is also to make money. So how do you set ideal goals so that you're able to achieve them? First, you need to be very clear about your main goal. What is the main goal you want to achieve? Why do you really want to work on this? Is it so that your business can go live? I don't know. Clarify your main goal. The second thing is, what is the why? Why is it desirable for you? It's because, for example, for someone, it may be it's desirable for me because I want to see how it would work. I want to see how my clients would respond to this product or service. The next thing you need to really clarify is what is the desired outcome. For example, when I was having a discussion with one of our clients, their desired outcome for their sales goal was to make a minimum of Kenya shillings 300,000 by the third month. Now, if you can look at what was the desired outcome, it was very clear in terms of how much it was and how long it would be. So I need that goal or the desired outcome to be very smart, very specific, very measurable, very attainable, realistic, and timely. You need to write down what will happen if this goal is not met. One person may say, if this goal is not met, we may not be able to bring in new stock from China, for example. Someone else will say, if we do not achieve this goal, we'll not be able to pay our staff, and that is a problem. The important thing about setting goals for sales, it makes sure that every single day or every single week, depending on the type of your business, you're able to evaluate how far are we with this particular goal. And goal setting enables you to be very articulate and compelling when it comes to sharing your vision and your goals with your team. See you right here next week. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, and let's learn more and talk sense about our businesses.